I'm challenging jurisdiction.
You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none. And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready.
Now, I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court.
All right, folks. Today we've got a classic case of a sovereign citizen trying and failing to challenge the court's jurisdiction. You really can't make this stuff up. Judge Perkins isn't having any of it and ends up toying with him, making for a very entertaining exchange. Our self-proclaimed legal expert is clearly just reading from a script and has no real grasp of what he's talking about. Honestly, he might not even know what jurisdiction means. But that doesn't stop him from confidently marching straight into embarrassment. The court has authority whether he likes it or not, but he's determined to make a scene anyway. Let us know in the comments what you think this guy's IQ is. Now, let's dive in and watch Judge Perkins handle this one like a pro.
You're your own attorney. You're an attorney registered by the state of Michigan.
You don't practice to practice law, and you've been practicing law over the bench.
You say I have been?
Would you like to litigate against me?
I'm not litigating anything against you.
Okay, you have been practicing law across the bench since we started this. And I'm challenging jurisdiction today.
Okay. What do you want to do, Mr. Hicks? You want a trial date or you want the offer to send back?
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Okay, put it in a motion.
I don't have to put it in the motion. I don't have to put it in the motion.
If I say you do, you do.
No, you don't have the right to do that. You don't have a Congress number. You don't have delegated authority to do that.
Okay. All right. Well,
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Trial date. I'm denying. What is your motion? You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none.
Okay, so
honor your oath of office, please. Honor your oath of office, okay?
Are we going to sit here and debate those positions?
It's not a debate. It's my constitutional right. It's my constitutional right.
You think so? Okay,
I know so. Are you violating my constitutional rights on how you deem them to be?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Okay, I have a transcript from all the other times I talked with you because you've been practicing across the bench for the longest.
Okay, so what are you going to do today, Mr. Hicks?
Challenge jurisdiction.
And how are you challenging that?
Because you have no jurisdiction. You have the burden of proof is on whoever assessed the jurisdiction.
Does this guy seriously not understand that you need actual facts to argue in court? He really thinks that just saying the court doesn't have jurisdiction is enough for the judge to be like, oh wow, my bad, case dismissed. Like, bro, that's not how any of this works. These sovereign citizens act like the law is some kind of optional subscription service, like they can just cancel it whenever it doesn't suit them. Sorry, but that's not how society functions. If you don't want to follow the laws, maybe it's time to consider packing your bags and heading somewhere else, because this nonsense is getting out of hand. What do you guys think we should do about the sovereign citizen movement? Should we change the laws? Set aside an island just for them? Drop your thoughts below, I'm genuinely curious.
Who's the assessor of jurisdiction?
I am, in this case.
Okay.
And I deny that motion.
Why you deny the motion? Because you don't have
so Mr. Hicks, you're a grown man. Let's have a few seconds. Wait a minute. Let's have a few second conversation, okay? Now let's get this straight. I'm running this show, okay? So if I'm going to allow you to talk and say what you have to say, you're talking about challenging jurisdiction right now. That's what the discussion is. I say I have jurisdiction. The court rules say I have jurisdiction. The Constitution of the state of Michigan say I have jurisdiction. So I'm denying. No, don't talk while I'm talking. I'm denying your motion as far as you contesting my jurisdiction. Okay? So take your hood off, please. So other than that, what else do you want? How do you want to proceed now moving forward?
I motion to dismiss.
I'm denying that motion. Okay, let me ask you this. What basis are you denying the motion to dismiss?
Because no crime, a bill of attainder, no injured party. I told you all of this at the beginning, and you denied everything. You practice over the bench.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you two options.
As a matter of fact, hold on. Give me a minute. You even went through a 10-3 because you started threatening me. You remember that?
No, you were the one. Wait a minute. You were the one, Mr. Hicks, that said, "Oh, you can say all that while you're on the bench." That's what the court rules are. You got to follow.
No, it's not. Then show me those rules. Let me see those rules. Send those rules to me.
I don't have to show you anything here. That's all public information.
You're acting tough now? You're acting tough now? Behind the bench?
Mr. Hicks.
Let's
not go there, all right? Did you say that last time?
Do you have the transcripts? Yeah, I said it. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
I thought about that.
I don't even have a
I
license
thought about that. Listen, this whole
license to practice law. Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
The jig is up. Are you sure your jig isn't up? Sovereign citizens seriously believe that saying I don't consent is some kind of legal cheat code, like they're casting a spell on the judge or something. Newsflash, this isn't Hogwarts, and you're not performing courtroom magic. Courts have ruled time and time again that simply declaring the court has no jurisdiction doesn't magically make it true. Yet somehow, these folks keep trying it like the 101st attempt will be the charm. It's honestly like watching someone type the wrong password over and over again, convinced that this time it'll work. I swear, it's like there are different species. How do you genuinely believe this stuff? And also, why are so many of them from Michigan? No shade, but if you're from Michigan, please explain. Is there a sovereign citizen training camp out there we don't know about? Anyway, let's jump back in and watch the train wreck unfold.
All right, so now the jig is up with you. So I'm not letting you say any more about this. I'm denying your motions. Now, I'm going to give you two options. The first option is you can either take the deal that's in the file, or we can. Okay, don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
A few minutes. I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready. You really want to
talk?
You really want to do this?
All right. Now I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court. Okay. All right. So the other option is we set a jury trial, and we'll set the jury trial. I'll give you motion dates where you can have the dates and you can put all of your stuff in writing that you want before the court. And I'll make a date on that date. I'll make a date when I'll rule on those motions. So do you want the offer or do you want the jury trial date and the motions dates?
I thought that the trial was up to me, whether I have a bench trial or a jury trial. It's not up to you.
No, it's not up to you. I'm giving you, everybody has a right to a jury trial.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to allow you to exercise that jury trial right. I'm not going to sit here and entertain a bench trial for you. Let a jury of your peers determine your innocence or guilt.
Why would I do that?
How?
Have the right to either or. You're not the one.
No, you don't have a right to. No, you don't have a right to either or.
Yes, I do. Of course, I do.
All right. All right. I'm moving on.
All right, move on.
You didn't answer my question, so I'm moving on, and I'm gonna put you out, or at least mute yourself. All right, let's do this, and let's go back on the record one more time with Mr. Hicks.
For the record, Your Honor, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, I did subpoena my officers to be here today for the final pretrial, and I do not see them here today.
Remove your hat, please. No drinking, please. Treat this like you're in the courthouse. Remove your hat, please, Mr. Hicks. All right. What are we gonna do? The officers were supposed to be here today. I'm only dealing with SP 1442547, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 144-27651, and SP 5008721. I'm only dealing with those matters. And the officers are not here. So we're gonna make this easy. And now, what I don't appreciate is, you know, I thought about that comment that you made that last time. You know, basically, you're almost like a little lightweight threat that you had toward me, saying that, oh, I'm only doing this, I'm only this way because I'm being protected by the bench. That's absolutely not. I'm the same way 24 hours a day. Okay? So let's get that straight. This robe has nothing to do with me as a man. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases because no officer appeared.
I would like to collect my costs and fees.
Pardon me?
I would like to collect my costs and fees for having to defend myself.
I don't want to hear anything else you have to say.
Oh, beautiful.
All right, bye.
This definitely wasn't the outcome a lot of us were hoping for, myself included. It honestly hurt to watch this clown turn around and ask the judge for court fees and costs. The audacity. Like, the judge literally lets you off the hook, drops all the charges, and your next move is, so, when do I get paid? Bro, who raised you? This dude seriously needs a reality check, if not a jail cell. Sovereign citizens are just wrecking the system with this nonsense. They walk around thinking they're above the law, trying to manipulate the process, and it's turning the legal system into a complete joke. They act like rules are suggestions and laws are optional, and honestly, it's exhausting. But hey, that's why we're here. To call it out, expose the absurdity, and bring some truth to light. If you enjoyed this train wreck as much as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. I post every single day, and I'd love to hear what you think about this court hearing. Drop your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching and being part of the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.